channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the next mythical epic, and I don't have to shout anyone out because I found it on my own. So this mythical epic actually looks like it's going to be pretty weird. It's going to be the Flora Fox variant, and it looks like this. So it's going to be white. It has pink ears, some green tips or not connectors for it. It's got like a green leaf for its cheek and another green ear. So this was surprising because I thought it would be all green. It's going to probably have some pink roses, then it's going to be all white. These are going to be pink. This is going to be pink. This is all going to be white. Its nose will be pink. Its eyes will be blue. And yeah, so this was actually a pretty big surprise because I thought it was going to be green, as I said. So yeah, this is the next mythical epic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 2K before Prodigy math game players. So yeah, bye.